Hi, my name is Diya, and I'm the president of the TED Ed Club. ISKL is a school with students from many diverse backgrounds, so TED Ed is the perfect opportunity to give these students a platform to voice their opinions in order to hopefully inspire some global or local change. If you love public speaking, or if you have any ideas that you really want to talk about, TED Ed gives you the perfect platform to voice them.
So my CAS project was the 24-hour race, which is a race organized by the 24-hour race organizations, and essentially it's a race that's been endorsed by the school for a while. People should join because it's a good way to be in touch and to help people who are in need and to be aware of problems in our world.
So Middle School Debate is a program where us three high schooler or veteran debaters work with these middle schoolers to not only help them develop their arguments and develop their mindset, but also it's a club where it's chill, it's fun, there's a lot of banter, and it's a good way to connect to help them also fulfill their dreams.
Hi, my name's Catherine, and I was part of the MS dance show. So I was a co-student director, and so basically what we do is we work with the middle school dancers, help them organize their show, and also help them choreograph and come up with the posters, slogans, and everything.
Middle school tennis coaching definitely tests my leadership skills. It also tested my communication skills, and especially with tennis, it's a sport that you need to grow and practice and improve on, and it's so rewarding that I could bring that to them.
Hi, my name is Osama, and I am one of the leaders at the Rohingya Refugee project, which is a CAS project here at ISKL. And recently, the community has been wanting help because they've been making DIY items that they want to start selling, and they want help making a platform to sell these. It's great fun. It's a great project.